Hi, this is Alvin Tan. I'm doing requirement for TLIM 0008, conduct the student training. It's now May 26, around 4 in the afternoon. So now we're going to do a pre-start check for the car. Okay, can you indicate to the left? Indicate to the right. High beam, low beam. Okay, that's it. We're making sure all the tires and windows are roadworthy. Hit the brakes. Brakes off. Hazards on. Okay. Hazards off. Okay, so we just finished doing the pre-start check and we're going for a ride. I'm going to use the VicRoads testing criteria. Okay. So now we are going for a ride around a route, and for this video I just put on my seat belts and the student seatbelt as well, and we are ready to go. So when you're ready, let's move out, and at the end of the street, turn left please. So we're checking. Very good. At the roundabout ahead, we'll turn left. Okay, do your head check. There, very good. Well done. Okay, what's the speed zone here? 40 zone. Okay. Speed bumps. So whenever we drive, we make sure that we look at the speed signs. We need to be aware who's behind us by checking the mirror. And always check your mirror before you brake. Okay, very good. Okay, well done. At the next street, we'll turn right. At the next street, we'll turn right. Okay, very good. Doing proper head check. Okay. Anywhere on the street, when it's safe, let's do a 3-point turn. Very good. Doing your 360. very good car control. At the next street, we'll turn right. At the next street, turn right. Very good. You're doing your head checks. Well done. Very good. You're slowing down because there's a lot of cars. Okay, that's very good. At the end of the street, we'll turn left. When safe, pull over to the left. Alright, make the car safe. Park, handbrake. Okay, well done. So during our initial test, you've shown that you have a good car control and you are aware of the situation happening. If there's a car, you slow down. A while ago in that street, there's a lot of cars and you were slowing down, making sure everything is safe. Yeah. Okay, well done. So for this next part, we are going to the main road. We will be doing some lane changing. I just need to assess whether you know how to do it properly. Okay, all right. So when safe, let's move out. And at the end of the street, we'll turn left. Done. At the roundabout ahead, we'll just go straight. Checking your speed. Well done. The roundabout ahead will turn left into the left lane. Roundabout ahead, turn left into the left lane. Okay, we'll just be mindful, this is a very busy road. When safe, move to the right lane. Okay, well done. At the roundabout ahead, we'll turn right into the right lane. Roundabout ahead, turn right into the right lane. distance. Roundabout, you waited. That's very good. Making sure everything is safe before you cross. Okay. When safe, move to the left lane. When safe, move to the left lane. After the runoff. Okay, well done. When safe, move to the right lane. At the roundabout, we'll do a U-turn. Roundabout ahead, we'll do a U-turn. Speed signs. When safe, move to the left lane. Very good. At the roundabout ahead, we'll turn left. At the next street, we will turn right. Next street, we will turn right. Yep, well done. At the end of the street, we turn left. End of the street, we turn left. So looking up ahead, there's a give way sign. Very good. Follow the road. So there's a pedestrian lane up ahead. We need to slow down and give way to any pedestrians crossing. Okay, there's a slow point ahead, so we need to slow down a bit. Follow the road. At the end of the street, we'll turn left. End of the street, we'll turn left. the end of the street, we'll turn right. End of the street, we'll turn right. So we're going to cross the road. Also, we need to be mindful of cyclists. Yeah, always take your time. So when crossing the street, there's no time limit here. As long as it's safe, that's the only time you cross the road. Okay, very good. At the traffic light ahead, we'll turn right into the right lane. Traffic light ahead, we'll turn right into the right lane. Okay, well done. And then once we turn right, we will leave a safe gap distance. Okay, very good. So the zone here is 60. Make sure we follow the speed sign. While driving, we need to be aware who's behind you, who's beside us, and always look for hazards ahead. So at the roundabout ahead, we'll turn right into the right lane. Roundabout ahead, we'll turn right into the right lane. Well done. When safe, we'll move to the left lane. At the roundabout ahead, we'll turn left. Make sure you give way to your right. Very good. At the next street, turn right. At the next street, turn right. and safe, pull over to the left. Yeah, anywhere in the street. Okay, make the car safe. Park and brake. Well done. Okay, so I'm very happy with your driving today, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to be a very good driver. You are aware of the situation. You have the safe following distance. You always make sure that when you're crossing the street, especially going to your right a while ago, you made sure that all the cars are clear or far away before we did the turn. And on the traffic light, you follow every lights. Yeah, and when you were doing your lane changing, you were correctly doing all your head check, making sure that there's a distance, safe distance, before you were doing your lane changing. So I'm pretty happy with your performance today. Thank you so much. So this is the end of the TLIM 0008 conduct the student training. Thank you so much. This is Alvin Tan.